Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to talk to you about something that I've been getting asked a lot, which is I'm X years old, like 20 to, I don't know, I would say 40 to 50 and above, and being asked, am I too old to learn how to code? So I wanted to break down to you if you are too old to learn how to code and how to kind of go through that process. If you aren't already, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And okay, let's get started. This is a very common question that I get asked on, I would say at least a few times a week is I'm between, I don't know, X to X years old and I want to learn how to code, and am I too old to start? Am I too old to switch careers? And it really took me off guard at first that people think this way, and I think it's a little bit about just the society we live in, that a lot of times it's glamorized that you start your career so young, or that you stick in your career and you just keep on going with it. So I really wanted to talk about it today, that there is no age that is too old or too young to start learning how to code. No matter what stage of life you are in, if you are in university, entering the workforce, already been in the workforce for a long time, and either want to learn how to code for your own personal reasons or for a career switch, there are so many benefits of you taking the leap into learning how to code. Learning and striving to become a developer, when you have some experience in the workforce or experience in different kind of facets of industries, can really be huge advantages to you when you are learning how to code. And these advantages, especially if you want to switch a career, are things that you can really highlight when you get to a point in your development skills that you want to start looking for a job. The number one thing is you contribute to diversity. You are someone who, if you are a bit older, has different experiences, different life experiences under your belt that you can bring to the team that some people right out of university might not be able to do. You can also bring experience from your past companies, your past positions into your coding career if you choose to go down a development career. And what I mean by that is if you're in marketing, you can really bring those kind of skills to your coding skills or your software development skills if you grow over time, by being able to really see the flip side of things, being able to see what the consumer would think. And those skills are so valuable because a lot of people might not have that experience that you have because you started to learn to code when you were older. Okay, so you decided you want to learn how to code and you are a bit older, or you do want to switch careers. What's the next steps? The next steps, I would say, to get your feet wet is to start using some free online resources to really get familiar with coding and what it's all about. One of my favorite free online resources is freecodecamp.org. I'll link some other ones down below. I also have a video that outlines some amazing free coding resources that will help you in your journey. Even if you don't want to learn coding to eventually make it your career, having an understanding of code can help you in an array of different jobs. And if you are someone who's looking to pick up a new skill or really just pick up a new hobby, coding is absolutely perfect. It can help you in your everyday life in so many ways. For example, say you are, let's go back to marketing example. Say you are someone in marketing and you always have to ask the tech team to update a WordPress website or a CMS kind of page, rather than having to go directly to them. If it's something small like changing text or changing an image, with your new code skills, you can go and be empowered and do it yourself. This also can help if you're starting up a business, wanting to start up an app, anything like that. Rather than having to rely on others, you can do it yourself. Or even if you do want to hire others, you'll have a better understanding of the cost and really the value of what they're doing, and also to be able to converse with the developers on a much more in-depth level. In my opinion, coding will make you not only smarter, but also younger too. And what I mean by that is by constantly learning new things and growing and challenging yourself, you're really keeping your brain healthy and active, and there's nothing more important than that, no matter what age you are. The whole premise of once you graduate university or you get to X age, you get a family, you have kids, that you can stop learning or you should stop learning is completely ridiculous. To keep your brain and your mind fresh and healthy and young, challenge it by constantly learning something new, and coding is an absolute perfect way of doing that. Thank you all for watching my video. If you take anything away from this video, I hope it is that you can start learning how to code at any age. I started learning how to code when I was 23, which is still relatively young, but I can't believe how many people message me at that age saying, am I too old to learn how to code? And the reality is you don't have to go to school for it. You don't have to have a computer science degree. You don't have to be 15 years old prodigy learning to code. You can do it at any age. Just take the first steps, go find some free online resources, and go from there.